Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video we're going to talk really briefly about the game mode on the RZ-B310 Panasonic True Wireless headphones, which I have here. Now really quickly, this game mode is absolutely perfect for gamers. It's designed to reduce down that audio delay that can sometimes occur between headphones and Bluetooth devices, such as your PC or a console. It's really easy to activate. So with the 310s, all the controls are touch sensitive on either on the earpieces, and to activate game mode, all you need to do is touch rapidly 5 times on either earpiece, left or right, it doesn't matter. And after you touch 5 times, that is going to activate game mode straight away, and you can jump right into gaming and having that really great synchronization between what's happening on the screen and what you're listening to in your ears. Perfect. If you're interested in purchasing these headphones, then do head to our online stores. All the details are in the description down below. You can find the perfect headphones for you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.